The signs are all over Tokyo, symbols of what was supposed to be a Japanese revival, a comeback, crushed, at least for now. Tokyo 2020 organizers and the International Olympic Committee bowing to global pressure brought on by the novel coronavirus catastrophe. Memories of another disaster 9 years ago still fresh on many Japanese minds. 2011's mega quake, tsunami, and Fukushima triple meltdown. Tokyo. Winning the Olympic bid in 2013 brought a surge of national pride and badly needed jobs. Japan invested tens of billions of dollars, new infrastructure, new technology. 2020 was supposed to be a banner year, a year now defined by a once-in-a-century global pandemic. We've overcome natural disaster, war, but things are different now. This will be the biggest challenge we ever face, says Shigeru Ishiba, one of Japan's most powerful lawmakers. He says Japan's aging population and shrinking workforce makes it much harder to bounce back. The Olympics are a cornerstone of Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's plan to transform Japan into a global destination, a plan to jumpstart the Japanese economy. Analyst Keith Henry says even a delay has serious financial implications.
Basically, it's a service sector economy, obviously, with the railroads, the hotels, the regions of Japan that are counting on people spending a few days in Tokyo, then wandering the mountains or the beaches of the hinterlands of Japan. The damage, economic damage, will be widespread all across Japan.
Finance Minister Taro Aso even went so far as to call coronavirus proof of an Olympic curse. Aso was born in 1940, when World War II extinguished Japan's Olympic flame. Tokyo was supposed to host the canceled 1940 Games. It would end up waiting 24 years. The 1964 Tokyo Olympics, Japan's reintroduction to the world, showcasing a miracle recovery, rising from the ashes of war. Today, a new war against a deadly virus, putting Japan's Olympic dreams on hold yet again. Will Ripley, CNN, Tokyo.